Okay, our phase 1 recovery is complete, and now we are ready for phase 2. So we're just going to pretend that Aussie DC2 and Poodle DC2, those servers are now ready to go. So I need to go into phase 2 recovery. Now to do that, I start by clicking on the recovery mode, or I could have gone into tools and my force recovery project settings, and I change my mode to repromotion. Now watch what happens to the list of recovery methods when I click OK. You'll see every DC that we've already recovered has changed to do nothing. And those DCs that we haven't recovered yet, well, they're set on install Active Directory for media. And you'll notice also these are using DC2s. I think I'm going to cheat a little bit and make those use backups from DC1 in each case. You can have a backup from the same domain. You don't need a backup from the actual DC. So I'll pick the DC1 backups. Those are the same backups that we use to promote and create Aussie DC1 and Poodle DC1. So that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and run verify settings. And we'll pause the video here while verify settings completes. Okay, so verify settings is good. We'll go ahead and run recovery next. A couple of the things that you can see that we did, we extracted the backup, we read the original DC, made sure that the operating system version was the same, and we also made sure that there was enough free space on the target machine to store the Active Directory backup itself, to actually do the restore on. So we make those changes, or make those checks in verify settings. We are ready to begin forced recovery. Okay, so now that we've got that set, let's begin recovery. You'll notice the warning message is a lot less this time. I'm just going to go ahead and click I've read and understood, but it's really just deploying new servers in an existing forest. Okay, so let's begin phase 2 recovery. I'm just going to go ahead and hit the start recovery button, and I'll check read and understood this. It's really not as serious as creating a new forest, so this is a lot less of a warning than what we saw before. Okay, you can see here that I've added DNS servers for my 2 target machines just to make sure that they're talking to the right DNS when they get started. So let's go ahead and start recovery. A little less serious of a warning since we're only promoting new servers into an existing forest. So let's go ahead and hit run. And we'll let this go ahead and run, and we'll talk about it after it's done. And there you have it. Recovery for phase 2 is complete, and my other 2 domain controllers are now part of the forest. That's all I have for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.